Hi everyone, so today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you find Facebook user location. So firstly, open your Facebook app and go to your profile here. So here on the screen here, then click on the tap on the search option here. So here type in the name of the person that you want to search the location for. So for example, I'm typing in Ahmed, so search that. So once you click on it, then click on the people's tab. So this will list the profiles of all the people with Ahmed as the name. So and once you have on the people's tab, then on your top right you will see a filter option there. So click on it, and here what you're going to do, we're going to filter by city, which is the location. So here enter the location which you're looking for. So for example, if I'm looking for Sydney, Australia, let's say Sydney, Australia. So click on show results. So now this is going to show all the results from Sydney, Australia location, all the profiles. So if you want, for example, some other location, so again go back to city, and for example London. All right, choose London. Yep, so choose that and then show results. Now it's showing all the profiles in with your location in London. So that's pretty much how it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.